Hi, I'm Tim, and as someone who works in a professional test kitchen, I get asked all the time, what's the best way to cook, steak or chicken? Or even more common, what kind of pan should I use? So today I wanted to share some of the pans that I love to cook with and why. Now the truth is, every kitchen needs a variety of cookware. When you have a good foundation of pans, you can make anything, and it will be easier because the pan is doing what it was designed to do. So the question I ask myself before I start cooking is, well, one, what do I want to make? And what flavors and textures do I want from the meal? From there, it's easy for me to choose the best pan for the job. So here are a few go-to pans that will cover almost any weekday cooking. I'm going to start with nonstick cookware because it's essential to a well-stocked kitchen. It's easy to clean and it's easy to take care of. And because this pan has durable 4-layer nonstick coating, you can even use metal utensils in here, which is not always the case with nonstick. Our nonstick pans come in a lot of different shapes and sizes, but I really want to talk about an 8-inch fry pan. Because no matter what kind of cookware you like to use, everyone needs an 8-inch nonstick fry pan. Whether you're trying to cook with less oil or fat, or you're honestly just trying to whip up an egg, nonstick is the way to go. You want a nonstick pan that can go from your stovetop to your oven. Now this pan has a removable handle, which is great because honestly, I can't think about how many times I've taken a pan out of the oven and then totally forgot that the handle was hot. Now, no kitchen is complete without a large stainless steel pan. I mean, it's beautiful, it's durable, it gives you that next level results for your cooking. Now, I think one of the reasons that people get nervous about cooking with stainless steel is that they think their foods will stick and burn to the pan. But our pans have this special non-stick mesh coating that still gives you all the benefits of stainless steel, but it cleans up like a non-stick pan. Stainless steel is all about heat transfer. Basically, it's easy to get heat from your stovetop to your food. So think searing meats, sauteed veg, maybe some stir fries, anytime you need high temps and fast cooking. The best part about cooking with a stainless steel pan is after you've seared your meat, what's left in the pan is called fond, which is crucial for beautiful, delicious pan sauces and gravies. Now I like this size. It is 12 inches. It's got nice high walls for cooking bigger meals. You can fit 2 really big steaks in here, 4 chicken breasts, a ton of veg, and it comes with a glass lid, so you don't have to peek whenever you're trying to keep an eye on your food. I can take this from the oven to the stovetop, use metal utensils in here, and it goes in the dishwasher for fast cleanup. So the next piece of cookware you need in your kitchen is a Dutch oven. I use it for soups, for braises, for roasts. Oh, I even make some bread in here. It is awesome. This Dutch oven is part of our rock crock collection. It's made of natural clay. It looks heavy like cast iron, but it's surprisingly lightweight. Our rock crocks come in different shapes and sizes, but I've zeroed in on the Dutch oven because I think it's the best for making weeknight family meals. The natural clay material goes almost anywhere. Oven, broiler, stovetop, grill, and because it's not made of metal, you can even cook in the microwave. Now the real game changer is that I can start my meal on the stovetop and then move it to my rock crock slow cooker stand to finish cooking. Saves me time and less dishes during cleanup. Rock crocks are easy to take care of. You don't need to season it, and it can go right in the dishwasher. Finally, for dishes that require high, consistent heat, cast iron is king. It's so durable, and with a little extra care, it can last for generations. Now, I love cast iron for searing meats, pan frying, and baking. I love it for baking. Because it's such a dense material, it maintains heat really well, even while the temperature in your oven just fluctuates up and down. Cast iron can go from stovetop to oven, but it can go even further on induction stovetops, under a broiler, on the grill, even campfires. Campfire cooking is so much fun. You can cook almost anything with this. You can do a nice one-pot meal in here, like pan-roasted pork chops and veggies, or even a whole roasted chicken. I like that our version has 2 handles rather than the single pan handle. It makes it easy to move the pan when it's full of food. Cast iron develops a natural nonstick coating that builds up over time, and it gets better with every use. So to clean it, scrape off the food with a nylon brush or a pan scraper, rinse it, and dry it completely. So there you have it. A nonstick pan for those stickier foods, more delicate foods, stainless steel for sautéing and stir frying, rock crocks for braising, roasting, slow cooking, microwave cooking, and cast iron for that high heat searing and baking. With this collection of cookware, you are on your way to a well-stocked kitchen where you can cook delicious meals the way you've always wanted.